Okay, so let's take a look at this game by a YouTuber. I don't remember the name, but I will probably put it into the info. It's a Super Mini Golf. It's one of the first games that made this very famous YouTuber. And so let's say we're gonna click there, and the game is a golf kind of game. You got to adjust the angle and then press using the right. You see here that we get the strength, and you gotta wait until you get the right strength and eventually launch this thing. So here it is. So apart from letting you know the existence of this nice game, it's very fun to play here with this physics, very simple casual game. And okay, but it has no sounds. So let's see how to put sounds into pygame. So let's say you are at this point where you made a game, and this is very as the author itself said in its tutorial, this is all a sort of if else, and it's very difficult to revisit it and change it because of this the way he made this. It was one of maybe the first project that he made a little more complicated in Python. So let's see what we're gonna do to okay, as you see here, it has two while loop, don't know why. And let's say that if we wanted to make some sounds here, you got to let's get to pygame init. Where is pygame.init? Because when I put it just right here, I want to do pygame.mixer.init, and after this we want to load some sounds. I want to put the sounds like a click, something like from another game of mine, or from I gotta hear a sounds with the click or blip. Let's see it where it's like, okay, it's very, let's see this other one. Okay, let's take this one, it's a bit louder. Let's copy it into this folder. It's golf game, and in sounds, oh, there are sounds. I don't know, I don't understand why we don't hear any sound if it's in there. But we wanna do the sound when we launch the game. So when we click the mouse button, let's search for mouse. Okay, put one M, too much M. Okay, let's see. Mouse button down, loop equal false, and break. I don't know if this is the mouse motion. This is for mouse button down, pygame mouse.get pause. If the screen click, it not equal none, starting with a false, press break, start screen, shop click pause to input surface. Okay, let's just check where we could put our sound. Well, let's try to put it there here. So let's do blip dot play, and but we need to load our sound before we rerun it. So let's do here blip equal pygame dot mixer dot sound blip sounds, because it's in this folder blip dot wave, I think. Let's check if I get sounds, and I got the blip here. There's also some music here. Music MP3. I don't know if I remember well all the functions that make this, but okay, it worked. Now I don't know if you hear the sound because it's nice, but I'm hearing it. Now let's see if it works, the blip too. And this is, didn't know there was another type of. Let me stop the music for a moment because I cannot hear if the blips is working. No, it's not working, but because probably let's not hear the let me see what happens if I put it here. When I check out where is the mouse button down. Okay, now it blips when you check this, but I think it must be another one. Maybe it's this. Okay, now maybe I wanted to make a different sound. Let me check again. Where is the... Let me... This one I didn't click and then blip, and so click or something else. Let me check this one. Let's copy this. Takes me an error because it's not bool, it's not a WAV file, but it's a NOP file. Even if it's just the same sound, I think. Let me also bring back the soundtrack, so it's more relaxing to play too. Get to say, music adds a lot to a game. It makes more relaxing. You don't get frustrated when you don't make the right... Nope. Must go... No. Okay, so that's how you put sound into a game, and so I had the chance to show you this very nice game. Although the author says it was not so... the code was not so so well organized. It is a very nice game. Quite fun to play. Oh, I plus 27, it's not good. 32 stroke, while the par is 5. Press the mouse, continue. I don't have to. I have to wait here, because if I click before the pause, so it's very fun. I see that I'm trying to do it because I find it fun. So that's how a game should be, simple and fun. And so see you next time.